Good day everyone. My name is Jenny Lee G. Manangan, or you can call me Jenny, from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. My parents motivates me to pursue higher education dahil laging sinasabi ni Papa sa akin dati na mag-aral daw ako ng mabuti upang sa ganon makamit ko yung pangarap ko at pangarap din nila. I have one sister. I am the eldest. My father passed away 5 years ago, and my mother worked as a housekeeper. My father is my biggest heartbreak dahil papa's girl ako dati, and nakakamiss yung kanyang presence, yung pagmamahal ng isang ama na hindi namin yun mahahanap or matatagpuan sa iba. My goal in life is to pay back the sacrifices of my parents and to those people who always support me through ups and downs. Hindi ko man masusuklian lahat ng effort at sacrifices ni Papa dahil sa kanyang maagang pagkawala. I know na yung makapagtapos lang ako ng pag-aaral at maabot ko lang lahat ng mga pangarap ko ay magiging masaya na siya. What I hope to achieve in my studies is to become a licensed professional teacher someday. During my free time, I enjoyed playing with my 1-year-old niece at tinutulungan ko rin yung aking grade 2 na pinsan sa kanyang homework. I'd like to share despite of our pressures, struggles, and also in financial problem because some of us are struggling in financial problems. But despite of that, keep on striving, keep on fighting. Padayon future educators.